Hi guys, welcome back to yet another video, and you're back with Herwin, your personal shopper. Today we're going to be talking about my 5 picks for this ski season. Right, first off, Oakley was never going to be a miss. In fact, most of my picks today are Oakleys, but stay till the end and you're going to see some pretty cool stuff. Now, initially I'm going to talk about the Flak 2.0s. This has the snow prism lens in there, so you can actually, in fact, all of these today that we'll be talking about, you'll be able to put snow prism lenses in there. Now, with these lenses, you're actually going to be able to pick up like rocks and stuff a little bit easier because it brings up the contrast. Also, you're just gonna look fly. Like on the slopes, you're going après skis, you're gonna look crazy with these. Let's go. Guys, moving into our second option. Getting a little bit louder now, we've got the Oakley flight jackets. So this has a full wraparound lens as opposed to the Flak 2.0s earlier. I'll just pull those back up. You can see this had a separate lens on there. So it's just more traditional, but this here, you've got more of your wraparound look. So it goes better with the skiing look in my opinion. It looks more like a traditional ski goggle, but it's still really stylized with the underbridge as opposed to your standard over with Oakleys. But yeah, again, with all Oakleys, they've got their actual sport arms on there as well. So the rubber on the sides actually get more and more grippy as you get warmer. So performance-wise, these are great. Looks-wise, these are great. This is why I've actually picked 2 Oakleys to be on my 5 picks for skiing season. And right now, Oakleys are super, super hot. You've seen it performance wear, like Kim Kardashian wears them. Like everybody's wearing them right now. If you can think of a celebrity, they've probably worn performance glasses. So definitely get yourself on this particular look. Again, we've got the Oakley flight jackets. Being ski season, we can't really go without talking about ski goggles. So here we go. Up here, we've got the matte white with the prism torch ski goggles from Oakley. These are absolutely insane. Very rarely do you see this full wrap that you get with a full frameless look. So imagine this on the slopes with your helmet on. Absolutely unreal. You're going to stand out. Wear a full black ski suit with these on. Gonna look absolutely crazy with the white coming off on the side of your helmet. Got the big O detailing on the side here. Got the Oakley writing on here. And then you've got all the anti-fog technology as well. So you've got the foam up here with a breathing space to stop them fogging up basically. Now this torch mirror on the prism looks nuts in my opinion. You get shades of like red in there, you get oranges, yellows. It just looks so cool. And again, because it is the prism technology, you are going to get the increased contrast. So it is actually very good for performance as well as just styling. But yeah, let's talk more fashion. Now, Celine has bought out these crazy, absolutely crazy ski goggles. So let me just show you here. There we go. Huge step up in my opinion in design. Or more of a blackout look with this pair. You've got the black on the front on the lens. So going to go stealth mode all the way down the slopes. But you've got all these little silver rivets here as well, just to stand out a little bit more. Right now, silver is massively in, so as I'm sure all you guys know, you've seen the celebrities wearing chrome hats and all that stuff, but Celine are massively diving in onto this as well with the silver hardware. Now imagine you coming down the slopes, just bombing past somebody and all of a sudden they catch Celine on the side of your helmet. Come on. Something really special here. If you guys are still watching, click the like button. Let me just open this up for us. Right. Do you know what? I'll see it first. So, I'll spin it around to the camera. So this is Dior's new snow season, super limited edition glasses. Got interchangeable arms. You've got the Dior written across the lens, and you've even got the shields on the side. So if you wanted to, you could ski down the slopes with this and you're not going to get any of that wind coming into your eyes. Right, so This comes with these, like I said, detachable arms. So if you were going skiing with them, you did want to wear your helmet and still have these on, you can actually swap out the arms on this for the hooked arms. So I'll show you here. Got these arms that hook around your ear, and it's just going to be a lot more comfortable while you've got your helmet on, and they're going to stay on a little bit better as well. But let's say you're not wearing them for skiing, you're going on your yacht, your whatever else you're doing, those just stay on just fine. Now, this also comes with a leather carrying pouch as well. So you've got your Dior print on here. You can carry that around your neck or as a side bag, however you will. You can even put your wallet in there if it's summer. So multiple use, but you pay for your glasses, you get your carrying case. And you also get this cleaning cloth slash bag as well. So you could take your, you could carry the extra arms with you. Perfect. And then obviously you've got your card of authenticity in here as well. Right guys, so that was my 5 picks. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you liked them, if you didn't like them, anything that you think we can improve on. We're a new growing channel, so again, like, comment, subscribe, let us know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one.